The etiology of the whispering cough. In the quiet corridor between sleep and waking, there lingers a sound, the dry, persistent cough. It echoes not with the rattling chorus of phlegm, but with dryness, barren as a moonlit desert. Once, breathing was a silent affair, unnoticed, but now the cough arrives unbidden, a whispered companion, shifting through the body like rough muslin. Its origin is an uncertain tale. Often, the cough begins as a tickle in the throat, perhaps a viral phantom from a recent cold or flu, the body's futile attempt to evict remnants of old battles. Sometimes it is the wind, dust-laden, swirling with pollen or exhaust, that scrapes the sensitive lining of the throat. Other times, it emerges from deep within, an asthmatic secret barely veiled, an upward trickle of acid betraying a restless stomach, a hidden swelling, quiet and growing in the shadows. The cough becomes a chameleon. It may signal the dryness of medications, the irritation of smoking, or the subtle incursion of allergies. But when does this whisper become a message that must be heeded? The dreamer wanders through corridors of uncertainty, listening for signs. A dry cough persisting beyond weeks, refusing to retreat as the calendar's leaves turn. A cough joined by fever, weight loss, breathless climbs up familiar stairs, or blood, each a signpost alarming in its clarity. In these moments, the corridor grows colder, and the dreamer searches for the door labeled pulmonologist. A specialist, the keeper of lungs, waits beyond, eyes wise in deciphering the myriad causes hidden in each cough. They listen to the patterns, dusk or dawn, sharp or dull, alone or heralded by other symptoms. Their hands smooth the anxious air, gathering clues and whispers made visible by scan and scope. There, in the gentle morning hush, the cough's etiology is finally unearthed, be it the quiet scarring of fibrosis, the secret narrowing of airways, or perhaps simply a transient irritation that time will heal. The dream ends with answers or with new questions, but always the cough, both warning and guide, fades into the distance as the dreamer awakens, breathing easier, listening anew.